Hey guys, this is your friend Kshitij and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you this new ROM which is Legend ROM, and it is based on Android 7.1.2. And this is the quick I'll show you a quick overview. This is the app drawer and this is how it looks. And if you go into the settings and if you go into the behavior, if you long press on the screen and you get that setting, so you can see all these settings. If you want status bar and all those things, you can show hidden apps. If you can long tap on a app and hide them if you want. Then there are different things like UI. You can uh, use different icon packs. If you want, you can install some icon pack, and you can also adjust the size of the icon pack. There are the various settings you can see. And it works on the Pixel UI. So as you can see all the settings about Pixel, and you can also show the Google Assistant icon with the Google search bar. I'll just show you in the home screen now. Yeah, you can see around near that G button, and this is the feature which is there in stock and stock OnePlus ROM. You can rename the apps, change their icon also, and hide and basically did their visibility mode. So I'll just rename it back to the gallery. And yeah, and this is the basic Google Now cards. And at that point my internet wasn't working properly, so yeah, this is how it is. Let's go to the settings and let's go into the legend settings. Yeah, I'll just show you the quick overview of all the settings and the options available. You can just pause the video and see all the settings available. There are less settings than rejection remix. Only the essential part of the settings are there. You won't feel like you needed something and it is not there. And also you can uh, change the number of columns and rows in your notification bar, where you can adjust uh, DPI and all. And this is the basic overview, and these are the gestures. So these are a little bit more than what OnePlus provides. And as you go down, you see all the settings which are like stock Android. And this is the ROM. I was just trying to check out for the OT updates. So yeah, let's clear everything. And it is a stable ROM, I would say. And I've rarely faced any restarts or something. And yeah, it supports VoLTE if you're using Geo SIM in India. It supports voice over VoLTE, voice over LTE, sorry. And yeah, these are the display settings. You can turn on live display. It doesn't have the sensor, but it works on the timings of the day. So it will start at a certain time and then switch on and switch off in the morning. So it gives that warmth to the screen, and this is the normal setting. So, and yeah, let's talk about the camera now. So this camera is well, I haven't seen the camera of OnePlus 3 and 3T, but I've seen camera of OnePlus 5, and it is this camera is really similar to that. And you can see the picture clarity is nice in this. And also I would like to tell you some things about it. uh, in normal OnePlus 2 camera ported app from the Oxygen OS, if you install it on your custom ROM, sometimes what happens is, even though the picture clarity is better than the uh, camera provided by the ROM, but still there are some grains in some ROMs. Even after installing, it doesn't make any difference and the pictures are very bad and there are a lot of grains. But in this, I would say that this is one of the best cameras, and it comes pre-installed in this ROM. This OnePlus camera comes pre-installed in this ROM. So as you can see, there are different modes, and one of them is Pro mode. So you can just play around with the settings, and there's the option of saving your settings in Pro mode, presets. So you can save up to 3 presets in this, and also you can have raw data saved over the if you don't want the raw data, you can save in other way also. So this is the camera, and you can see all the options here: photo, video, promo, time lapse, slow motion, and panorama. Everything is available. And let's get into the settings. If you get into the settings, you can mm, basically get that watermark on your uh, pictures, on which it says shot on OnePlus by your name. So yeah, this is the setting. You can choose if you want the watermark. If you don't want the watermark, it's a cool feature, I would say, to have that. I'll just show you how it appears on your pictures. So as you can see, I zoomed in, and it's there. Yes, after pictures, I would like to talk about the battery performance and the performance overall and other things. So in this ROM, I don't have any particular issue, and maybe relatively the battery life is slightly less than stock ROM, but I think you get a lot of it to cover up the battery life. Like lot of features are there over your normal stock ROM, and anyway, OnePlus 2 is not going to get the Android Nougat update and Oreo, but currently the Android Oreo version for OnePlus 2 is in alpha stage, just for your information. And so let's talk about the battery performance and the normal performance. So battery performance is, as I told, is slightly less than the stock ROM, so you will get around 4 hours or 3.5 hours of screen on time. And the performance, I play kind of heavy games on it. I've played Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, which are normal games, and I played Last Day on Earth and other light games also. YouTube experience is excellent, Instagram is excellent, Facebook is excellent, and multitasking tasking is also great. So overall, performance is really nice. And anyway, if you want to increase your performance, you can always go to the battery settings and go to the performance mode, and it will drain your battery fast, but you'll get all the processors working for you at high speed. So that's it, guys, for today's video. See you in the next one. Jai Hind.